Hey guys, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I wanted to share some projects I made for Scrap Diva Designs. These are all dies from the June release. I'll link them down below. My referral link will be in the description box as well. If you place an order at scrapdivadesigns.com through that link, it gives me a commission from the sale. Doesn't affect your cost at all, just helps me out. Thank you guys. I really appreciate it when you use that. And you could save 10% by using my code Strawberry Cream at checkout. All right, friends, I made some super cute projects. I think I used this paper collection, which I did get from Scrap Diva Designs. It's called Our Groovy Summer, and it's from Echo Park. If it's still there, I will link it. I'm not sure. I forgot to check about this. But this is such a pretty collection. It's got lots of pastels, but also some brights and fun summery kind of things, a little bit retro as well. So it really went with the projects I was making. The first one the first die set I made is this one called the Road Trip Mini Album. So yeah, this paper collection was perfect for it. Comes with all of these dies, and it makes like the front of like a VW bus, like one of those retro kinds. So lots of different layering pieces, makes windows. The base piece has holes it punches out, so it makes making a mini album really, really easy. Of course, I made a card, you know me. It comes with like tires, lots of trim pieces, even a little embossed, I don't think it kind of cuts out. Hi Millie, here's Millie. License plate too, which I didn't use, but it does emboss the word road. Millie's here. She's been very affectionate today. I mean, she usually is, but I was doing yoga before and she had to come sit on my yoga mat too. So yeah, she's just being a mommy's girl today. All right, so let me show you what I made. I made a card like I mentioned. So Millie will like this one, it has cats on it. So yeah, I put little Pusheen stickers in the windows. I thought that looked really, really cute. So yeah, I made a card like I said and popped up a lot of the elements on some foam from Walmart just to give it some dimension. As you can see, hello my girlfriend. Yeah, you're saying hi to your fans. All right, so let me measure the minivan. Or just a van, I guess. From top to bottom, including the wheels, it's about 5 1/4 inches. And then side to side, at the white, no eating. From the window to the window, it's about 5 3/4 inches. I only used like the two, it's over here. The 2 layers, not the outer layer. So I used this one here. This one cuts out like the base of the van, and then this one here cuts out the trim piece. And then yeah, I used all the other dies to make the headlights, to make those hearts. Those heart dies come with it too. It punches out a heart and then a frame to go around it, so I just switched them up and glued them onto the front of my van. I added this trim. I'm so sorry about this. I hope it's not too annoying for you guys. Hold on 1 second. Okay, I gave her lots of pets, so hopefully, no, okay, it's still happening. Anyway, I did, like I mentioned, I didn't use the road license plate. I just used a sticker from this collection. It said like something sunshine, but I just cut the word sunshine off it, and I think that looks really, really cute. I used some black glossy paper for the tires. Yeah, you're very cute. And then for the background, I used 2 papers from the collection, and I used this like border die that I have in my stash to make it look like grass. So okay, now she's sitting on the chair with me. So yeah, I just think it's adorable. And then I used some dies in my stash to make the background. Nope, she's back. Okay, so this is about the card that I made is about 5 milli. Oh my goodness, why are you so crazy? About 5 7/8 square. Yes. So yeah, I think this will be a fun like card to send out to somebody. And on the inside, I added, of course, this cut apart. I mean, look, it's like perfect. It goes so well with this collection, cruising in the sunshine. And then another couple stickers, one Pusheen and one from the collection. And then just made like a insert with that square stitch die that I have. So yeah, I think it came out super cute. Hope you guys like it too. I will, of course, link the dies down below, and hopefully the paper collection. Okay, next we have, let's see, I guess we'll move to this one. This is the Boggy Bag add-on. So if you have the Boggy Bag, I would highly recommend this die set because it just takes it to another level. It comes with all of these dies here. The Boggy Bag is currently sold out. I know that Erica had ordered a whole second order and that sold out really quickly. So if you want it still and you haven't been able to get it, I'll link the product page down below. Click on the notify me when available button and that way you'll be notified right away when it's available, just in case you want to get it again, because I think Erica reordered it again, especially now that there's the add-on set. So this is still available, the add-on set. So it comes with this side panel that goes over the side panel on the original, and this one leaves stitch detailing on the outside and stitches around each circle. And this layer is it's a little bit bigger than the original layer, so you'll see the original color a little bit and then the pattern paper. I'll show you, of course. And then if you want to use the heart die set, you could, or the heart die, you could do that as well. I haven't used that one yet. And then the add-on comes with these two dies. This is, you could use this for the side and or the bottom of your, sorry, cat fur, the bottom of your bag. I used it for the sides, and then this for the like long side at the bottom, and it's stitched as well. All right, and I did use one of the words from this die set, which I'll show you in a second, but let's get to the bag. Okay, so this is how mine came out. Again, I used the Groovy, is that what it's called? Our Groovy Summer Collection. And I used some like, kind of like a orangey, I mean it's orange, but it's a soft orange paper. This came from a paper pad from Walmart. So I used that to construct the bag. Very easy to do. And then see what I mean about the layering piece? It leaves a margin of the bag underneath showing, so it adds a layer, which is, you know, just really nice to see that peeking through. And I love the stitch detailing around that. The original die set comes with the handles, so you would use that die from the original Boggy Bag die set for that, just like you would for the sides and the construction of the box. And then I did use that like rectangle piece for the side layer. The original set does not have layering pieces, especially for the side. Like I said, you could put on the bottom too, or even on the inside, but I just put that on the sides. And the original die set comes with these dies to trim your Boggy Bag. So I think that's a really nice finishing touch there. And yeah, so I just glued this one on. The original Boggy Bag I made, I used brads, but you don't need to do that. I just added some glue, put some clips that I have, and just let it dry with those clips on there. And then I hot glued this bow on here, which I had pre-made from a gift package I had gotten, so I had saved it. And then I made this little dangle. This was a charm that Shelly had given me. Thank you, Shelly. I put it right to use. And then this is a tassel and charm combo from Jen Hadfield's Flower Child tassel collection that I had, not collection, tassel pack that I had. So I thought that looked nice on there too. I did put a big jump ring through the bow, so that's where that's all hooking onto. And then these were charms, but I took the little eye pin out just so I could glue them onto the side of onto the front of the bag. And then this word sunshine comes from the next die set that I'm going to show you, but let me measure this for you in case you're not sure how big the Boggy Bag is. It's about 6.5 inches long, and then it is about 4.5 inches tall and nice and deep, about 2.5 inches. So you can fit a lot in here for sure. And it's nice if you use double-sided paper for the handles, because then it just makes it interesting, you know, because you can see both sides of the handles. Okay, so Sunshine, like I mentioned, comes from this die set, one of the new sentiment sets that Erica has out in June. This is called the Holiday Word Set. For us here in the US, I think Vacation Word Set is a little bit more appropriate, just because holiday to me, I think of like Christmas time, but holiday, you know, in lots of other parts of the world means vacation. So anyway, this is Sunshine, and this measures, let's see, that's about 3 3/4 inches Millie left and went somewhere, by 1 inch. So very, very pretty font, so easy to come together. The word is all one dot or one piece, and the little dot is a little bit more. Oh, Millie heard her name. And I did pop it up on a little bit of foam tape, so it has a little bit of dimension too. And yeah, I just think this came out really cute. I like the horizontal stripes there. Okay, and then let me show you the rest of the words that this comes with. Here's another sunshine. I just did it again because I wanted to be able to show them all at once together. So this one I used one of the darker papers from our Groovy Summer collection for the background, and just a pale yellow for the word itself. So there's sunshine. And then we have sunset. I love script fonts. They're so easy to put together. Vacation. And then the rest I did in the same paper combination as sunshine. I used that orange paper that I used for the base of the bag, and then a darker color from the paper collection. If you can see, there are little hearts there, and I think it's the same paper I used. Yeah, it's the same paper I used for the grass of the card. So beach, and you can combine those two: beach vacation, beach sunset. We have holiday. Again, you can use this at Christmas time, us here in the US or wherever, and then relaxing. So great for scrapbooks, great for projects like this, cards, what have you. So yeah, they're all about, the same size as the one that I measured for you. So those are my projects for today. They're all made with our Groovy Summer, but they all look a little different, just coordinate nicely together. And yeah, I was happy to use my little Pusheen stickers. I think those guys look really cute. I should put some sort of a steering wheel there, maybe just like half a circle. That would be cute. Okay, you guys, so everything will be linked down below. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments. And I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Again, my referral link is there too, my coupon code Strawberry Cream, and I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, I hope you guys have a great day. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Please subscribe too. All right, you guys, talk to you later. Bye-bye.